In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use break time in Time Doctor. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Once you have it open, type Time Doctor into the search bar. This should bring up several results. You'll want to select the first link or the one with the URL timedoctor.com. This will take you directly to the Time Doctor website. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, you can do so by entering your credentials. Now, before you can start using break time in Time Doctor, this feature must first be enabled by your administrator. So, if you need administrative help, be sure to get in touch with them to enable this feature. Now that the feature is enabled, click on the Settings option and then navigate to Breaks. This is where you'll manage your break time settings. To set up a new break, click on Add Break and give it a suitable name. This could be something straightforward like lunch break or coffee break. After naming your break, determine whether it will be classified as a paid or unpaid break. This distinction is crucial as it impacts your work hour calculations. Next, you'll want to select how long this break will be and decide who in your company can take it. You have the flexibility to allow everyone in the company, specific groups, or even specific users to take this break. Customize the options to suit your organization's needs, and once you've set the parameters, ensure to save your changes. This will finalize the setup of your break time within Time Doctor. Now that everything is set up, let's move on to using it. Launch the Time Doctor application from your device. If this is your first time using it, you may need to log in, but if you've already used it before, it might have your login details saved, allowing you to dive straight in. Instead of pausing the timer or stopping task tracking, all you need to do is select the designated break from your task list. For instance, you could choose Taking Paid Break or Taking Unpaid Break based on what you previously set up. Once you've selected your break, the timer will switch modes and begin tracking your break time. Finally, once you've completed your break, select a specific task from your task list to resume tracking your work time. This ensures that your work hours are tracked accurately and efficiently, and you can proceed with your day seamlessly. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll master using break time in Time Doctor, enhancing your workday efficiency while ensuring every minute is tracked accurately. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes it easier to manage your time with Time Doctor.